Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones after a factory reset. First, understand why a reset is often necessary for connection issues. It helps clear out any corrupted data or conflicting settings that might be preventing a stable connection. This simple step can save you a lot of frustration and get your headphones working like new again, ready for a fresh start. To perform the factory reset, first ensure your headphones are powered off. Then, locate the power button and the NC/ambient sound button. Press and hold both of these buttons down at the same time for approximately 7 seconds. You'll know the reset is complete when the indicator light on your headphones flashes blue 4 times, confirming all settings are cleared. Now that your headphones are reset, it's time to repair them with your device. Turn on your headphones and immediately press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until you hear a voice prompt saying Bluetooth pairing. Then, go to your phone or computer's Bluetooth settings, find your Sony headphones in the available devices list, and tap to connect. If you're still experiencing issues, double-check that your device's Bluetooth is turned on and that your headphones are within a 10-meter range. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone or computer can resolve minor connectivity glitches. Also, consider updating your device's Bluetooth drivers if available. For more helpful tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look in the description below for links and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.